Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove WIX ads. So if you want to go to this page, you can see here, upgrade your website to remove WIX ads. So I'm currently using free version of WIX. Need to, if I need to remove this ad, I have to upgrade the plan with premium plan with dollars, I mean. So if you click on this upgrade now, you can see here, many different packages. All you have to just purchase one package, any package you want, then website your website ad would be gone. Okay, so this is what I want to say about. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.